What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I didn't do an intro for this vlog yet, and I am finally feeling like myself again. So I wanted to thank everyone, all the dolls that came through on my Instagram live tonight. I even left my own live to go catch Drake and his dad's live, so that was really fun. And anyways, I'm going to just kind of do days in my quarantine life here in LA. So if you guys are new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Kayla Lashae and I upload pretty frequently, so definitely check out all the other vlogs that I have here for you guys. But I guess without further ado, let's get into the vlog. I can definitely say with all the rain, the less traffic and smog, the air quality has been pretty good, you guys. Oh, so cute. Come on, let's go. Good boy. I guess everyone's trying to get their workout on. I'm getting these dumbbells because I actually need them. I got the last ones. Let's see. It's been like a week and a half and it still looks like this. What was even here? Bread. Oh, I'm so happy I stocked up on detergent and no paper product. No toilet paper. Want some fresh air? Yeah, man. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Kayla Lashae. As you guys saw, I just went to Target and it's still empty. So I don't know, are people still panic buying? Are they not getting enough shipments in? Possibly it could be the fact that there's just not enough staff to replenish the demand. But I'm happy to report I found my dumbbells. I've been looking for some more at-home gear for my own workouts here since I don't have a full set of dumbbells that I would use in the gym. Still gotta keep the arms looking right. I don't wanna lose all of my muscle and all the hard work that I've put in to myself thus far, because I've finally been seeing results. If you guys watched my feeling discouraged vlog, I kind of talked a little bit about that in that video and how to deal with feeling unmotivated and discouraged when it comes to your fitness goals. And now is just not the time to be messing up all the hard work your girl has been putting in. So I ended up getting these 8-pound dumbbells in this beautiful emerald color. Got the last one. I usually lift between, say, 5 to 15 for my arms. So 8 is just a really good in-between weight for me to do all of the movements that I'm used to. So for my at-home equipment, hi Leroy, he just loves to be all up in the camera. So for my at-home equipment, I have a foam roller because I work out quite often. It's just the best to get out kinks and to help you kind of recover a little bit faster. So I use this with my stretching routine as well. I have some kettlebells here, 15 pounds and 10 pounds. Those actually need to be rinsed off. They've been sitting outside for quite some time. I have my glides or slides, whatever these are called, which I use for my abs. These are killer, so I can basically get a full body workout in with everything here. I have my ankle weights to do legs and booty. Definitely gonna feel the burn. I believe this is 2.5 pounds per leg. And of course, I've got booty bands on deck. I have many more in my workout bag, but I've been using these recently, not just for leg workouts, but for arms as well. So those are the things that I'm using here at home. I'll leave a link if I can find it. Honestly, things are so sold out online. Trust me, I've tried to find dumbbells on Amazon and everyone is thinking what I'm thinking is to get your essential workout equipment that you can do sessions from the comfort of your own home. So that's what I use, and I also keep a yoga mat here as well. So I feel like you can get a really good full body session in with just these things. So I'm gonna have my coffee, I'm gonna plan my workout today, and then I'm going to film a whole nother video, like a full body at home workout for you guys. So it's probably up before this video is, so definitely check that out. I'll leave it in the cards and in the description box below. So far I've just walked Leroy, so 17 calories, that's nothing when my daily goal is 500. So today I am determined to reach my calorie goal of like active burned calories. But anyways, I'm wearing a sports bra from Fabletics and then just biker shorts today. Brandy Melville shorts. Oh my gosh, I just finished my workout. I might do some more a little bit later, but for now I'm actually gonna edit my workout and do the voiceover and get that up on the YouTube channel. Already I'm noticing that my mood is already improved. My energy levels, I just got a spike of energy out of nowhere. Could be the coffee followed by the pre-workout, but I just feel so much better. So definitely encourage you guys to get your body moving during this time. Like all I do is eat. Made a snack today. I've already had breakfast, so I'm pretty excited about this. It's crazy because I know that we're all home all the time, so we sleep a lot, we eat a lot, we lounge a lot. So I've really been making sure to log my calories in my Fitness Pal because I know myself enough to know a bitch is snacking all day every day. So if I don't keep track, I'm not gonna know how much I'm eating, and I'm still trying to stick with my health and fitness goals. So it's just really important for me to have balance in my life, still have the snacks and the junk every now and again, but really stay focused and eat enough of the right foods, okay? On my way to the fridge, what else is new? Hold up, is this expired? The fuck does that say? That's a 7, right? Alright, I'm about to take this shot. It's really important during this time, especially to work on immunity boosting properties. This one has ginger, coconut water, has a little cayenne pepper in there. Cheers, you guys. Health is wealth. Whoop, whoop. The only shots that I'll be taking. Back again. I Postmated last night and I actually ordered 2 times as much. I got 2 full meals and a side of fries for $6. For some reason, it said add $4 more to your cart to get $4 off. I said, okay, so I ordered an extra meal. And then I went to go check out and it took off like $29 and I was just like, whoa, is that a glitch? Is this real life? Like, what's going on? So I don't know, guys. I got a bunch of food for $6 and some change delivered to my apartment. No contact. It was left outside my front door. So I'm about to pick at this because all I do is eat. And y'all don't even know this sauce right here. This sauce is so hot. Oh my god. but it's so good. It's so, oh, I can't even explain. It's so good, but it's so bad. Both ways. That's enough because it's already gonna be too hot. And I know this is weird, but I'm gonna eat it cold because, yo, they really hooked it up. This is so much meat than they normally put. But there's like rice down here, tomatoes, lettuce, pita bread. I actually have some hummus in the fridge, so I might add that to add a nice creamy bit.
Wait, you FaceTime Drake? Just kidding, guys. He's on live right now. I'm actually dying because I'm over here getting lit with Drake. My quarantine life be like.
I'm on live with my dad right now, so you're gonna have to give me a second.
Yes. Aubrey. Mans is looking like a whole snack. He's so cute. Can you kiss? Can you kiss? Oh, the baby, like my lip gloss. So I put on makeup today anyways because I just felt like I needed to pick up my spirits a little bit. I've been looking busted and I don't know, I just wasn't feeling good. So I wanted to kind of just take a little time out of my night. It's very late. I think it's like 11 o'clock or something. And pamper myself. Take a little selfie for the gram. I was feeling myself after I got off of live. And I'm about to actually listen to The Weeknd's new album, After Hours, which I have been waiting for Abe to drop a new album. It's finally here, so I'm going to jam out to that. Set the lights onto like a nice purple vibe and really just get into the mood. I don't know, I just love to listen to albums for what they are without distractions and listen to the lyrics and see what resonates with me. And I'm a big Weeknd fan, so I think it's gonna be a fun little night. I already got some Modelo in my body, so I'm kind of feeling myself too. So who knows, it's about to be a party for one, actually two if you count this guy. You trying to get lit?